These are examples of easy robots that you can build with Revolution clip-and-play parts. This is JD. And this is RoboScratch.
Learning with RoboScratch is fun.
Let's throw together an example that will speak a phrase, wait for the camera to see an object, move some servos, and wait for a voice command, then do a dance. When RoboScratch runs your program, each element is highlighted as it is executed.
Where is my duck?
It's right here.
Here is my duck. Would you like me to dance?
Dance for me.
Reorganize routines by simply moving elements. The execution path will update in real time. Press the Source Code tab, look behind the scenes at the code that was generated from the RoboScratch designer. RoboScratch is like training wheels for learning to program by generating real programming code. Get RoboScratch beta preview at www.easy-robot.com.